Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by adding Dzongkha so you can type native script, open settings and go straight to General, then Keyboard. Once there, tap Keyboards, choose Add New Keyboard and find Dzongkha in the list. This installs the layout. Make sure to consider full access. Only grant it if you need third-party features because it allows data sharing. After adding, return to any app and bring up the keyboard. You should see the globe icon for switching. This step prepares the device for layout customization. Once done, configure the Dzongkha layout to match your typing needs. Open Settings Keyboard's Dzongkha and pick the layout variant. If you prefer, enable one-handed or hardware keyboard options. This affects key mapping. When typing, use the globe icon or long press it to switch between keyboards quickly. This is faster than reverting to settings each time. Also add text replacement shortcuts for frequent words, so you save taps and avoid repetitive spelling in Dzongkha. To finish, fine-tune predictive text and autocorrection in keyboard settings so Dzongkha suggestions are helpful. Turn predictive on or off to test. If the keyboard doesn't show, force quit the app, then reopen it. If needed, reboot the iPhone. This clears temporary glitches. Make sure the correct layout is still selected. If strange suggestions persist, reset Keyboard Dictionary in Settings General. Only do this if other fixes fail. That resolves most conflicts and restores reliable Dzongkha typing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.